So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you top 3 word plugins that you will need to know if you want to work efficient. So before jumping to the video, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting further more time, let's get started. So to use those plugins, we need to open Microsoft Word. And here in insert section, we have this add-ins option. Using these add-in options, we can download all our plugins. So the first plugin would be Grammarly. So to use this plugin, the technique would be a little bit of different. So to use this plugin, we need to use Google Chrome. And here in Google, type Grammarly for Microsoft Word or MS Word and click on the first link. Here you can see the option get the add-in. So it's free. So click on it. So the download is already completed. Just open it, install this plugin. So it's asking me to restart or reload Microsoft Word in order to reflect the changes. So open Microsoft Word again. So as you can see here, Grammarly is successfully installed. So how to use Grammarly and what is Grammarly? So Grammarly is a powerful writing assistant that can check your spelling, grammar as well as your type in Word. It can also suggest more concise and clear wording. So to improve your quality of reading, you must download this plugin. So how to use it? Let's find out. So let's say I have this paragraph over here and let's open Grammarly. So it's analyzing the words and give me the correct and precise output. So it's asking me to change it over here. So let's try to figure out how this Grammarly works. So let's try to misspell anything. Let's find out whether it can find the error or not. So it successfully find the error and give you the suggestion to change that error. So that's a pretty cool feature if you want to ace your writing skill. So the next plugin would be Wikipedia. So to install this Wikipedia, we have to click on My Addins. And here in store section, just install this Wikipedia. As you can see here, the Wikipedia is successfully installed. So Wikipedia offer a free add-in that allow you to quickly search and reference information from popular online encyclopedia without leaving Word. So how to use it? So let's say I want a topic here. Just write a topic here. Let's say chatbot. So it's give me the output regarding my topic. So here you can see the article over here. So if you want to use this article, you simply just copy the lines and click on the plus sign. It's as simple as that. So here you can also add images like this. It's really a cool feature if you want to use Wikipedia and don't want to leave Microsoft Word. So it's really handy. So the next plugin is Pixels. Pixel is a popular stock photo and video platform that offer vast collection of high quality royalty free images. So if you don't want to use stock images that are high paid, you can use this Pixel tool for your free images. So let's add it. So it's adding right now. So here you just type the title for which photo you want to get. So let's say I want a photo regarding chatbot. So it's giving me the output regarding that option. So let's find something else. So it's giving me the variety of cards images and that's free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. So let's pick this car image. So right click on it and copy this thing and paste it over here. It's as simple as that. You can also insert the images in between your paragraph. So let's say I have this paragraph over here and I want to insert a picture in between this thing. So how to do it? Just copy the picture over here and paste it in between this thing. It's as simple as that. So it's a great tool if you want to use your stock photos for personal use as well as commercial use. So that's pretty much about it. This is the top 3 add-ins that you must use if you want to ace your Word experience. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will never miss any important update like this in the future videos. So I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.